it's Jacqueline from SolFood Collective. I want to talk a little bit today about vision boards and manifesting. So, both of those are really big topics to talk about, I think. I'm just going to touch on them a little bit. There will be more videos posted, but I just want to kind of go through how I built my vision board and, what I kind of do in a day to manifest what I want my future to be like. So, for my vision board, I have right here in plain view for me and I guess anyone that comes into my home to see. If you want to keep it private, I think that's great. It is kind of like a journal or a diary. It's something that's, it's very personal to you. But mine, this is in a space that it felt right, and I look at it multiple times a day. But I made a list. I really sat down with my eyes closed, and I go through this process of what do I want my life to look like? I start with one day, and I envision, okay, if I had the ideal life, what does that look like? And I start from waking up in the morning and putting my feet on the ground. And everything I do step by step from that moment, from what I'm eating for lunch, who I'm with for lunch, what my job entails for that day, what I'm having for dinner, where I'm having dinner, am I taking a bath before bed, I go through an entire day with my eyes closed of exactly how I envision my future looking, and then I go to bed, envisioning going to bed. And from that, it makes me think, okay, this is what I want. That's okay. That's the direction I want to go in. And I write it on my vision board. I get a piece of paper out and I say, when I wake up, I have a meditation and yoga practice, and I write that down. So I kind of envision what I want my future to look like, and I write it down on a piece of paper, and at the top of the paper it says, this is my life, okay? Always write in the present tense. You never want to write in a future tense, like I will have, because you'll never have it. You'll always be trying to reach for it. So you always want to write in the present tense. So at the top of my list, it says, this is my life. And I have it listed. Boom, 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 boom. All the things that I consider to be my life that I don't currently have, but that I will have. But on that list, it says that I have it. So I will get it. And I get to that point by sitting there with my eyes closed and envisioning what I want my future to be. And then from that, you can build out, like, Mantra Magazine is a great resource, and it has a bunch of little cute things here that you can, cut out and put on your vision board. It has specific pages and inspirations for vision boards specifically. I love this magazine. It's such a feel-good magazine. So that's a little bit about vision boards. Just really sit and think about what it is you want, and only put the things on your board that you really want to manifest and make a reality. Like, I have the Eiffel Tower on my board. I've lived in Paris. I've lived in Paris twice. It's definitely a place that I would like to have a second home in, and I'm going to start manifesting that. It's on my board. Paris, I am coming for you. I will be back. So just little things like that. Just put what you want. Don't start cluttering it with to-do lists and appointments, schedules, things like that. You really want to keep it as a board for your future that you're envisioning for yourself. And keep it positive, and just know that trust the timing, trust the process, all is well, and you are safe. So that's my tip for today. If you have any questions, comment below. If you start creating vision boards, let me know too. And I'll be back with more tips on how to manifest and build vision boards. Bye guys. Thank you.